To create any video project, you need source clips. The source clips are like multimedia clips like images, audio, video clips. You need to import into the media bin. To add different types of source clips to the media bin, you can right click and click on import media, and it opens the dialog box, and you can import the recorded files or video files or image files. Like for example, I want to import these are all recorded files. See, this imported into the media bin. You can click and drag onto the timeline. Then it is visible in the canvas. That is what is the purpose of importing clips into the media bin. You can select the clip and you can get the details about this clip. You can do different things like add to timeline at playhead, add to the library, preview, update media, delete, details. If you want to see the details of this clip, see, this is the path where it is saved, and encoding, dimensions, duration, rate, frame rate, all the details about that video you can get. I want to import one more time. Click import media and go to where the pictures are present. Click the image and click open. Now the image is imported into the media bin. As usual, you can see the details about this, the size and the path, everything. And if you want to delete the image, right click and delete the image from the media bin. Click one more time. You can see all the supported formats here. Like see all media files, image files, video files, audio files. These are the three fundamental types of media files: images, audio and video. You can see the different file formats supporting in Windows, like image files like BMP files, GIF files, JPEG files, PNG files, audio files like WAV, MP3, Windows Media Audio, MA4, and video file formats like CamRec, TREC, AVI, MP4, all these formats. You can see on the screen the table provided, which these are the different formats supported in Windows and Mac. You can import the video files, click on import media, and if you want to import only audio, activate this. It shows only audio files. You can see the audio symbol here. If you want to import only video files, click on video files. It shows only the video files present in that folder. See, this is actually recorded file, Camtasia recorded file. This is image, this is audio file, and this is a video file. You can import, these are the different types of files into Camtasia media bin. If you want to import directly from the Google Drive, file, import, click on Google Drive, and it will ask for the login details. Once you fill the login details, you can directly go to Google Drive. No need to show, it is self-explanatory. Once after getting the media files into the media bin, you can sort them. Like for example, by name. Even you can view in the list format, in thumbnail format from here in the bottom side. And you can click on the plus icon, and it will show from import media, import from Google Drive, import from My Places, just like you imported normally. You can sort by type. So it is showing audio files, images and videos. Sort by duration and sort by dimensions. And these are the different types of sorting available. And if you want to delete all the unnecessary files, only we have placed this file here, and I want to keep image here, and I want to keep the video here. You want to remove this audio file. Delete unused media. See, now it deleted. What that indicates? That file is not placed in the timeline. means you have not used that in this project. That is what is the meaning. Once after importing all the clips, you need to keep them on the timeline for editing, and that is what you are going to learn in the next videos, how to edit in Camtasia Studio.